Alright, welcome back. So I completed the rig. I'm going to call this my Sapphire setup. We have Sapphire, 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 Sapphire. I got 2 XFX in there, and I got 2 NVIDIAs just to make it so this B250 is a little more stable because it needs some NVIDIA cards. Alright, so I'm going to start wiring these up. I'm just going to lay the wires first into all the riser cards. So we got one kind of color code. My black and whites are going to be all for my riser cards. Make sure they snap into place.